Target gave to me a repair for masonry. On the second day of Christmas, Target gave to me 2 CPDs and a repair for masonry. On the third day of Christmas, Target gave to me free spec drawings, 2 CPDs and repair for masonry. On the 4th day of Christmas, Target gave to me 4 wall-tie surveys, free spec drawings, 2 CPDs and repair for masonry. On the 5th day of Christmas, Target gave to me fine rolling rings, 4 wall-tie surveys, free spec drawings, 2 CPDs and repair for masonry. On the 6th day of Christmas, Target gave to me 6 repaired lintels, fine rolling rings, 4 wall-tie surveys, free spec drawings, 2 CPDs and repair for masonry. On the 7th day of Christmas, Target gave to me piles underpinning, 6 repaired lintel, fine rolling rings, 4 wall-tie surveys, free spec drawings, 2 CPDs and repair for masonry. On the 8th day of Christmas, Target gave to me 8 bar flex fixings, piles underpinning, 6 repaired lintel, fine rolling rings, 4 wall-tie surveys, free spec drawings, 2 CPDs and repair for masonry. On the 9th day of Christmas, Target gave to me 9 dry flex wall ties, 8 bar flex fixings, piles underpinning, 6 repaired lintels, fine rolling rings, 4 wall tie surveys, free spec drawings, 2 CPDs and repair for masonry. On the 10th day of Christmas, Target gave to me 10 castles keeping, 9 dry flex wall ties, 8 bar flex fixings, piles underpinning, 6 repaired lintel, fine rolling rings, 4 wall tie surveys, free spec drawings, 2 CPDs and repair for masonry. On the 11th day of Christmas, Target gave to me heli piles piling, 10 castles keeping, 9 dry flex wall ties, 8 bar flex fixings, piles underpinning, 6 repaired lintel, fine rolling rings, 4 wall tie surveys, free spec drawings, 2 CPDs and repair for masonry. On the 12th day of Christmas, Target gave to me bond flexor pumping, heli piles piling, 10 castles keeping, 9 dry flex wall ties, 8 bar flex fixings, piles underpinning, 6 repaired lintel, fine rolling rings, 4 wall tie surveys, free spec drawings, 2 CPDs and